So today I will open this Michael Kors bag that I ordered at souk.com. So let's start our unboxing. Fingers. Here it is. Oh, there's a paper. Ha ha ha. Okay, the amount of price, purchase voucher, and the bag itself. Oh, I get the handle first. So here it is, my first MK bag. I will open it now. I just like the sound of the plastic and the paper. Smells new. Oh, lovely. It's not too big than what I expect because they told me it's 17 inches. So I have here an Acer laptop. 17 inches. So it's less than 17, so around 15, 16 maybe. So this is how it looks like. It's not too big than what I expected. Or maybe because I already have a big Ankline, which is a little bit smaller than this. Maybe you just cut some inches from here. So here it is. Hi. Ah, my baby's here. He wants to be on the video. Hello, baby. Hello. Okay, so let's resume on removing all of this stuff. It's like a styrofoam, not tissue, it's a styrofoam. Baby, excuse me. Oh, scared. Oh, can't remove. Oh, it's hard to remove all of this. Oh, give me a moment. I'll remove this styrofoam first. So, as can you see that? It's not a bulky type of handle. It's a flat one. And maybe it's like 8 inches. 8 inches. Around 8 inches. Next time I'll get a ruler to exactly measure all of this. And let's remove. Oh, the logo. Wow. This is 18K gold plated. All of the metals, I think. And as you can see, the Michael Kors logo. Oh, and this is the price tag. It's light brown. The fake one has orange price tag. And here is the exact name, Jet Set Travel. There's a lot of travel totes for Michael Kors. I think this is the medium one. Yes, medium. It says MD. MD means medium. This is a travel tote. I guess those Michael Kors totes which have what do you call this one? Pockets here on the sides are not considered as travel tote. They are just an ordinary tote. And it's also lovely. I want to buy that someday also. Maybe the others with a signature printed here, MK. Next time. So, I like my bag. It's not too big than what I expected. Papers, lots of paper, and paper, and again paper to make the bag to be in shape. Okay, I can see here three zippers. So the outer one, hello baby, outer zipper. I will remove this again later. And then there's a divider. Hello baby. Baby and the inside the center divider, there's another zipper, and there's a how many packets are there here? 1 2 3 4 5 1 2 3 4 5 5 packets without zipper. So 1 2, so two here, 2 1 2. You can put your cell phone there, and there's a big one here. This is attached on the center divider, and 1 2 here again near the one packet with a zipper. And there is the key holder. Again, it's 18K gold plated. Okay, you can see here that I'm not sure if you can see the print of my bag is MK. And then what else? That's it for now. I love my bag. Next time I'll make a video of what's in my bag. So that's it. Bye bye.